Nandito na po tayo mga Beshiwap sa Haro Cathedral. Ayan, nag-ano muna kami. Pipicture-picture. Medyo mainit po dyan mga Beshiwap. Pero ayan, nagpicture-picture muna kami. Tapos yan, pinipilit kong ipakita yung yung simbahan. Kaso, hindi ko alam paano ba. So, yan, paikot-ikot muna ang camera. Yan. Medyo, nung panahon niyang mainit talaga mga Beshiwap, kaya medyo naghahanap kami ng anggulo kung saan kami pwedeng magpicture. Ayan nakahanap na ng anggulo. Saan magpapicture. Medyo lang talaga yung camera ko dyan mga Beshiwap. Tapos, diba, hindi masyadong nakuha yung yung full. Yan, nagpa-picture na ako. Tapos, susubukin namin, hindi, pupunta talaga kami mga Bishop. Aakyat kami doon sa, doon sa may saint, doon sa gitna. So, ayan, samahan nyo kami. So, yun mga Beshiwap, naisipan muna namin pumasok sa loob ng simbahan para magdasal. So, tinignan muna namin yung dress code nila. Pero, nung pumunta kami, ay sarado po yung simbahan mga Beshiwap. So, ayan, pinapakita ko po sa inyo yung nila, may dress code po. Haro Cathedral is located in the district of Haro in Iloilo City, Iloilo, on the island of Panay in the Philippines. It was placed under the patronage of Saint Elizabeth of Hungary. It was established in 1575 as a visita or a chapel of ease of Autumn by the Augustinians and as a separate parish in 1587. The present-day structure of Haro Cathedral was built in 1874. The Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines formally declared the cathedral the National Shrine of Our Lady of Candles or the Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria on February 2012. It is believed that if you are praying for a husband, you should visit the Haro Church because it is believed that your wishes will be granted. Actually, in making this video, because of my curiosity, I able to read an article about a woman who is praying inside the Haro Church to give her a husband. This is the article that I read, Beshiwaps. Haro Belfry, also known as Campanario de Haro, is a historic freestanding bell tower located in front of Haro Metropolitan Cathedral in Haro, Iloilo City, Philippines. It is one of the few belfries in the country that stands apart from the church where it belongs. Harrow Belfry was built in 1744 and made of bricks and limestone blocks. It served both as a religious structure and as a military watchtower against invaders, including the Moros, during the Spanish colonial period. On July 17, 1787, the belfry was heavily damaged by a strong earthquake. Reconstruction only began in 1833 under the supervision of an Augustinian friar, Father Jesse Alvarez. Yan mga beshiwap, akyat na po tayo papunta sa taas. Yung nakita nating dito, yung sa front ng yung sa front view na nandito sa taas. Ayan. Walking na una si Papa. Mauna muna sila. Tapos, mapapansin po natin na yung bricks po ay may pagkaluma na talaga kasi matagal na po itong nagawa. I mean, na talaga siya, no? Luma na may mga bakal pa dyan para protection din na hindi gaanong masira yung yung structures niya para din masave siya. Nakakamangha po talaga mga beshiwap, yung niya yung bricks, makikitang luma na talaga siya. Pero feeling ko nilagyan nila ng semento para hindi siya gaanong magbakbak. 'Di ba? Maski may pagkaluma na talaga siya. Pinipilit niyang magpakatatag, 'di ba mga beshiwap? May mga din siya. Makikita natin sa taas na yung bricks niya na na din. So, nung dumating kami dito mga beshiwap, may mga ibang tao din, may mga, pero hindi naman siya gaanong madami. So, yun, kami ng dasal, syempre, kung yung mga petitions namin, kasi nag-grant daw siya ng mga wishes. Ayan. May mga dyan, donation box. Tapos yan, siya pala yung saints sa Nuestra Señora de Candelaria. Ayan. The image of Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria, perched atop the facade of the cathedral, is the first Marian image canonically crowned personal by a pope and Saint John Paul II in the Philippines and Asia. Also, through the said canonical crowning, the Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria has been declared as the official Roman Catholic patron of Western Visayas and Romblon, and made known Haro as the center of Candelaria devotion in the Philippine Islands. Diba mga beshiwap, meron din mga nilagyan din ng mga bars, pati yung sa taas, kita mo luma na talaga siya, pati yung bricks niya, pero talaga, nakakamangha, nakaka-amaze talaga na kahit ganyan na siya kaluma, kahit sobrang tagal na ng simbahan na ito, ay andyan pa rin siya, 'di ba mga Beshiwap? Yun ang talaga nakakabilib sa mga old churches, mga Beshiwap. Matitibay talaga sila. At subok na nila yung mga panahon talaga. So, baba na tayo mga Beshiwap. Punta tayo sa baba. Merong doong tirikan ng kandila. Candelaria, mamay o. Ginkita ko dugang picture kay wala surat ba kung ano. Amot na bong niya. Candelaria. So yun mga Bishop, continue po natin ang history ng Harrow Belfry. On June 29, 1868, another earthquake damaged this belfry. Monsignor Mariano Cortero, the first bishop of Harrow, had this completely restored in 1881. On January 25, 1948, the belfry suffered again in its third major destruction when the earthquake named Lady Kai Kai swept through the entire Panay region. The second and third floors of the belfry were collapsed, which left only the first floor as the original structure until these days. On May 29, 1984, Harrow Belfry was declared a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Institute or the NHI, now known as the National Historical Commission of the Philippines or the NHCP. Under the supervision of the agency, the reconstruction of the Harrow Belfry began in 1990s. In February 2022, it was again under restoration under the same agency, the NHCP. It includes the restoration of its original design with 4 cardinal virtue statues on the 4 corners of the structure, which had been missing for years. The turnover ceremony, including the unveiling of its historical marker, took place on November 27, 2022, when it also rang its bells again for the first time in 74 years. Kaya ano, wari dida sa kog. O, adi ada era. Adi ada didi. May mga purpose. Pila ang tagbilat tag-8 ato dito kayo may da mga init iya putos ang single lang. May dagap single. Ay sa loob wala, dito lang sa labas. 24 So ayan mga Beshiwap, nagtirik po muna kami ng kandila at nagdasal. Thank you for watching. Again, this simple Iya saying, just smile so that the universe will smile at you. See you again in my next video. Bye-bye.